So this is our yard that we operate out of, and everything on the ground is mulch. And we've been getting some heavy rains the past couple weeks, and so the mulch being light, the rain on the water is causing the mulch to float. It's causing mud to pool up where all the fines of the mulch are, and I've done my best to grade it out what it is now, what you see here. But we've still got a bunch of ruts over there. We've still got a bunch of uneven areas. So I got the tractor with the box blade. I want to try that today, using a skid steer with the bucket. Problem is, scoop it in, it just bunches up, and trying to back drag it, it just bunches up, it doesn't smooth out. So I'm hoping the box blade I can kind of grade it out and feather it along. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so the box blade was not working out too well. The blade on the excavator actually works much better, so we're going to use that. We've been getting absolutely hammered with rain. It's Monday today, so it's hard to tell with all the ruts, but I mean, we're holding water in our parking lot, in our yard here. So Friday, pulled in the gate, went to circle around, and I don't know if my axle was locked up or I just sank, but either way, wasn't gonna go anywhere with that. So I had the excavator and the skid steer on here. I got the excavator unloaded. But let's try to get this mud cleaned up, that way the sun can shine on it, and that way it could start to get dried out and stabilized. How much you guys can see, but that first pass did decent. I mean, we're still sinking because, but this stuff's just slop. It's, I mean, there's standing water, it's sloppy mud, and we're just gonna do the best we can. guys, I hope you can hear me over the excavator. So our front entrance here, it's sloped by the gate, and then it immediately comes down to this lower section, and then it comes back up. So this is kind of a low spot, and I'm trying to push everything from that way, push it all here and fill it in, because I mean obviously this is where the water's going. So I'm trying to fill this in, but you're just pushing slop and putting more slop on top of it, so doing the best we can. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the yard, and this is what I'm leaving her with. It's really hard to tell. So this is still a really big wet spot, and it's all rutted up. It didn't really smooth out that well. I'm gonna let it dry out in the sun. But we basically pushed up a lot of material up here by the gate where I was telling you guys it was real low, and the color of the mulch is already starting to come back, so I know it's drying out. I know it's dark, but that's because that's in the shade. But yeah, that was holding all that water right there, and basically just slop. And I'm driving through it now with a trailer, so I'm not sinking. I kind of built this area up so, because it was real low in here. My damn mirrors are in the way. Coming off the apron here, it was like super low, and then it would go back up, and this just held water, and obviously it's right when you come in. So I pushed everything from that way up in here, filled this in, so hopefully all the water will just shed and go that way, since I took all that material and put it here.